Hello, everybody. I wanted to quickly share with you my analysis, long-term analysis on Apple stocks. You can see that Apple has been trending up very nicely since the start of 2016. Right here, somewhere. I think it started sometime in 2015 December, and then it's been going up. Basically, they call it Trump rally. So um, it's at a good level. If you had bought it somewhere around here, I think even Warren Buffett bought the stock, Apple stock, somewhere around this area. And he was saying in one of the interviews that he's not going to be buying any Apple anymore because at this level it's too risky. And I tend to obviously agree with him because he knows what he's talking about. So let me just show you what I think is going to happen and important levels. Basically, I'm not going to actually let me correct it. Let me say it correctly. I'm not going to tell you what's going to happen because nobody knows, but I can show you the important levels based on the technical analysis, and we should be cautious in those levels. Okay, so that's more like it. So let me just show you how it works in my opinion. So let me just get the Fibonacci tool, retracement tool, and then I'm going to take from here up to here. So you can see the market went up nicely, and then it hit a point, and then it retraced, and then again it's been going up. So this is a monthly chart, so every candle is a month. So started in somewhere in 2013, I don't know exactly which month, but somewhere around here. Then it's been going up nicely from then up until it reached here, which is sometime in 2015, and then it started retracing. It came down to about somewhere around end of 2016, and then it's been going up. So these two levels are important, this and this. You can see the price here somewhere around 154, and this is somewhere around 175. So these are absolutely super critical levels for Apple, in my opinion. And there is also another possibility, which I'm going to show you now. If I take the same Fibonacci retracement tool and assume that no, let me just take it back. No assuming there anything. So it's going to be, we're going to put the Fibonacci in a different way, like this, and you can see that this is the 20% I'm sorry 27% extension, and this is the 50% extension. When you trade with Fibonacci tools, generally it is always good to look at the levels, what is called a Fibonacci confluence levels. It's a fancy term for levels where multiple Fibonacci lines rather, I can't talk clearly today, lines come next to each other or very close to each other. For example, if you see the 50%, you don't see anything other than that line. When you look at the 27%, you can also see there's one more line next to it. There is 50% extension of Fibonacci when I drew from here to here, and so these two are next to each other and likely to create more resistance. So that would put the Apple stock target to be 154. So it's gonna have it's gonna have a little bit of a tough time to cut through this line and go up. Doesn't mean it won't happen. It could happen, but the likely would of it stopping around here is high. It could also obviously turn around at the 27% level right here. Okay, but my opinion, I think it's going to go up at least up to up until 154 level. It could even go up a little bit more, but somewhere around here is where I would be cautious. So if I was long from somewhere around here, I would obviously get out here. I wouldn't want to wait and see what happens. So that's my analysis on where Apple stock could have a tough resistance. And this is also coinciding with the fact that the general market, right, S&P 500 or similar indices, they have a possibility of going up to their 50% extension levels. I had created my earlier video indicating that information, so if you are not clear, you could go back and watch that video. So I think in general in the markets now, even though we are having some issues at the 27% level. You can see that there are so many geopolitical events happening. Issues with North Korea, and U.S. dropped bomb in Baghdad, and not Baghdad, somewhere in Afghanistan, I think, and also other issues like Syrian issues, etc. So I think that is coinciding with the 27% uh, uh, target extension level of this Fibonacci, from here to here Fibonacci. And now things seems to have sorted out. So that could mean that the market could rally. If it rallies, then obviously it'll go to the 50% extension in Fibonacci in S&P 500. You can check my other video for the more information. If that's the case, then Apple could potentially come all the way up to this level. That is 50% level. That's my opinion. So we have to wait and see what happens. Okay. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching.